Children, you can see in this slide another point of difference between the western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain. You can see that western coastal plain there are two rivers, Narmada and Tapi. They are short, swift rivers and do not form any delta. On the other hand, the east flowing rivers are large rivers and they make delta before jumping into the sea. To add on to the differences, the western coastal plains are relatively rocky with sand and sand dunes. Eastern coastal plain is sandy with alluvium deposits and it slopes gently towards the sea. That's the reason it forms deltas. Here's another point of difference. The western coastal plain has large number of ports and the eastern coastal plain is unfit for port. We just gathered the information that the eastern coastal plain is unfit for making ports, but it is smooth. I already explained western coastal plain receives heavy rainfall whereas eastern coastal plain receives comparatively less. I hope it is clear to you the difference between the western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain. Now we proceed with the difference between the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. Firstly, the Western Ghats, it marks the western boundary of the Peninsula Plateau and it stretches from the state of Gujarat to Kerala. Then talking about the Eastern Ghats, it is marking the eastern boundary of the Peninsula Plateau and stretching from the state of Orissa to the state of Kerala. I hope it is clear. I present the points to you in very simple words. The Western Ghats is a regular stretch of highland, whereas the Eastern Ghats is dissected and irregular because of the rivers that are flowing through them. So the rivers make it dissected and irregular. Next point of difference is that the Western Ghats are comparatively more in height than the Eastern Ghats. Last point of difference is that the Western Ghats, they receive more rainfall due to the orographic rainfall. The rainfall received in the Eastern Ghats is comparatively less because the monsoon winds are unable to carry the moisture towards the Eastern Ghats. I hope the differences are clear to you. Children, don't get confused with both the questions. Difference between Western Coastal Plain, Eastern Coastal Plain, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats.